This dosa is so tasty that once you make it, you will definitely be reaching out to make it more frequently. It can completely replace chapati as a gluten-free option, is kid-friendly, is great for picky eaters, and perfect for weight loss too. Let's make this Instant Ashgourd Set Dosa. Welcome to the Dosha kitchen. Start with soaking the rice. If you have less time, then soak in hot water, else overnight is the best option. Peel, de-seed and cut the ashgourd into cubes. Ashgourd is very light, hydrating, and along with rice it is a perfect combination for pitta types or to have during hot weather. Soak poha for about 10 minutes just before you are going to blend it. Run the blender till it's nicely done, add water only if needed, and you can choose to keep it little grainy or make it pasty. At this stage, you can optionally add moringa leaves, spinach for a green tinge, or even beetroot for a pink dosa. Adding ginger also improves digestion. The texture looks perfect. If you feel you need it, then add a pinch of baking soda. I didn't see the need looking at the texture. Now to season it. Add salt, and I use chaat masala, but you can opt for cumin powder or any other herbs. Even grated carrots can be added to increase the veggies. The tawa needs to be low hot or warm. If it's very hot, you can simply cool it down by sprinkling some water on it. Spread the batter in about half centimeter thickness. Drizzle some A2 ghee. Now we will let it cook. You can make it more thick if you wish. You just might have to cover it with a lid so that it cooks properly. Once the bottom is golden brown, just flip it for a bit. As a breakfast item, this dosa can be paired with coconut, mint or podi chutney, and as a main course, pair it with veg stew or sabzis like bhindi or aloo. I had it with a chicken curry and it tasted excellent. Gave a very appam kind of vibe. In fact, you can even add some jaggery to turn this into a healthy pancake. I hope you try this one out, and I look forward to your comments on whether you liked it. Let me know if you would like me to share more such hidden veggie options if feeding your family is a daily headache for you. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you're always notified when we come up with new videos.